So what do I do?
This looks like food from an old people party, actually. Oh, my back! Almost like this really bad cheese that's in the corner of the room that nobody eats because they all know it tastes bad.
It tasted like raw meat.
It is meat. It's called foie gras.
Ew. Is this clam or oyster?
Clam.
Not bad. It tastes like normal rice.
This is pretty good.
So you're eating stuff inside a clam?
Clam's casino.
Casino? Where people gamble. I wish I could.
Yummy. It just tastes like bread with like these little weird things in it.
It's ham.
I knew it. I knew it.
It's a special kind of ham. It's called devil ham.
Devil?
They call it devil because they add spice to it.
It's not really that spicy. I already know what that is, raisins. What's a date? I know one kind of, but
Have you ever been on a date?
no. This is a baby one. It smells like something that I ate before, but I don't know what. My mom makes this, and I don't like it. She's silly.
Party mix. I love you. Chex cereal, pretzels, almonds, cashews.
Well, Chex is actually a cereal.
So they put this in cereal? I'm in heaven. I think these are meatballs. I love meatballs.
I don't know. Okay.
But still, really, really good. Good snack for a party. I think this is bacon stuffed bacon. Is it sausage?
Chicken.
That's good. This is what I would do. Just unwrap it and just get the bacon.
Hot dogs and chips.
There's no cocktail wings. How is it?
So.
Do you like mustard?
I do and don't. No.
I've got your own recipe here. Potato chip hot dogs.
Actually, they're called hot dog potato chips. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh my gosh, I lost it. I like it. You like it. Love it.
Love it. Oh, it's disgusting.
Jan, come on, just try it. Tastes good? Yeah, but only the white egg. I'm gonna taste the apple again. I just personally don't like the cheese fondue. There's something about it that it's not good.
Do you know anything about the 80s?
If people were born in the 80s, then now they're 30.
Oh my god. I like it. It tastes like a chocolate popsicle.
Pudding cups. We're putting it home. I'm making this when I get home. Cool Ranch.
Very good.
Oh, I love the Cool Ranch.
What's the flavor like?
Cool.
How would you feel if you went to a party and they served raisins at the party?
I would say, is that the best you can do?
Well,
Nobody eats that at a party anymore.
What kind of music do you like at a party?
Beatbox. So turn on the beatbox, baby. Little pizzas. Even smells like pizza.
That's called a pizza bagel.
It's like the size of my palm.
Look at the shape of that.
Dinosaur shaped. This one kind of looks different because like it doesn't have the circle right here. Yeah, well, why not?
With this scoop kind. Oh, I got it.
I love it.
Kind of reminds me of sour cream. Good texture. It's really nice.
I feel like you're a secret ingredient.
I danced once, but I hated it. It's boring. No, you're just going to say.
Is this pasta?
That's our joke.
Oh, can't explain it. You know those things you can't explain and you input it through God or bad. You know what I mean?
What kind of chips are those?
Pita chips. Yes, and I love them. This is celery. I love celery. Ooh, I like the light bulb. I like the tomato. Try chips in it. It's good. That's better.
Do you know what hummus is made of?
I think these type of like beans or something.
Do you know what decade this is from?
The 80s, 70s, 60s. With the light bulb. Really? Knock knock. Who's there? Lemon. Lemon who? Knock knock. Who's there? Lemon. Lemon who? Knock knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange glad I didn't say lemon. Yes.